something that will give you a massive growth in just 1 month. It will help to boost your hair growth. So another easier way for you to grow your hair in braids is by using DIY hair growth sprays. I came across this DIY hair growth spray about 2 years ago, if I'm right, and I discovered that it was able to grow my hair long, but like I didn't really have the time and the patience to like make the hair growth spray. But this time I decided to create it, and as you can see, my hair is having a lot of new growth, and I've had these braids for 5 weeks throughout the year. I plan to like style my braids and then keep using this method and then seeing how long it has grown. So help me God. So I'm starting with hibiscus leaves, aka Zobo leaf in Nigeria, and ginger, dry ginger. You can put yours in the oven just to make sure that it's really dried. Then I placed it inside the blender, the dry blender, and blended everything to powder. So like the smell was really concentrated and I was not ready to use much of it. So I just packed some inside a nylon and left about like 2 spoons or so. But I discovered that even with that 2 spoons, it was like quite still concentrated, and I used it for that period of time. But then the next one I created, I made sure I was not as concentrated as this because the smell was really strong. So if I were you, I just put like 1 spoon of this. I allowed it to cool for about an hour or so. Then I sieved out the shaft because the shafts were going to clog my spray bottle and I didn't want anything clogging my spray bottle. So yeah, you want to sieve your mixture so that it does not clog your spray bottle. And then I went on to spray it on my scalp for some days. I don't do it all the days. I just recommend probably like 2 to 3 times in a week. And if you are scared of it spoiling, just put inside the fridge or the freezer, or if you don't have one, just make small at a time to make it easier for you. Yeah, so like I did a length check to see my new growth, and it was really surprising, guys. Like there's like new growth, and it's surprising because my hair is like moving onto like waist length. So I'm really excited to try this again for another month. So I'm planning to redo my braids and then use this treatment for a whole year and then share with you the achievements that I've gotten. So if you are struggling with hair growth and you have not really gotten the right products for you, you can make use of your own DIY spray. Then you can try it out for a month using braids or twist as a protective style. I'm very sure you're going to see a huge difference in growth. Another thing I want to tell you is that I used hair growth oils. I used two hair growth oils. One is an hair growth oil, one is an hair growth serum. I'm going to be showing you the two. So I used this hair growth oil at least once in a while, and then I also use this sometimes. So I made use of those three things with the hair growth spray to like boost my hair growth during this 1 month, and I make sure my hair stayed moisturized. I make sure that I was not always improperly handling my hair. There were days I just left my hair alone. I didn't want stress. When you wear braids or whatever protective style you're wearing, just leave your hair alone. Don't give it stress. Just let it be, but make sure it's moisturized. So yeah, those are the things I did to boost my hair growth in just 1 month. Like I said, it's not a magic thing. It's something that you have to do consistently, and it's not something that will give you a massive growth in just 1 month. It will help to boost your hair growth. It's just increasing it higher than normal, and so you don't want to expect this magic stuff. But trust me, if you use this thing consistently for months, I'm very sure you're going to see a difference in growth. Let me know in the comment section if you would like to try this hair growth method. If you've not still subscribed and you've watched up to now, kindly hit the subscribe button and that notification bell beside you so that I can see more videos like this when I release them. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.